Hey everybody, Francis here from Vickar Mitsubishi. Today we have a 2018 Nissan Qashqai SV. This car does come with the heated seats, heated steering, backup camera, nice fog lights, these nice alloy wheels, and it does have this unique green color. It does have low kilometers, so this car won't last very long. If you were looking for a nice compact SUV, this car is perfect for you. So now let's get into the interior. So getting into the interior, the Nissan Qashqai does have a nice analog display, push button start, does have the nice buttons for volume up, down, skip track, do have cruise control, the nice flat bottom steering wheel, does have the touchscreen display, sport mode whenever you wanted to, you can switch into different gears, feeling very sporty. Also do have heated seats, a nice sunroof, and when you put into reverse, it has a backup camera. This car also does come with heated steering, all-wheel drive lock, eco mode, and you can also turn off and on your traction control. For being a compact SUV, you can definitely fit anybody in here. I'm 6 foot and I feel very comfortable in these back seats. So if you did want to come see this Nissan Qashqai SV, you can definitely come see it at 950 Regent Avenue West, or you can call us at 204-667-9200. Vickar Mitsubishi, where customers send their friends.